In today's video, we're gonna talk about relationships and business, okay? So I'm out here in Kansas City. I've been out here for 3 years, but prior to that, how long have I been working with you, Gabino?
Probably about 10 years.
10 years or more, I think more.
Yeah, more than that.
Okay, so how many houses do we think we've done together?
A lot. I don't remember how many, but it's a lot.
It's a lot. So I've been asking you to come out to Kansas City for how many years?
3.
3 years.
Yeah.
So finally, last week you said, I'm coming. You got your whole crew up here. What do you think so far?
I don't know, but I don't trust you before, but you know.
You don't trust me about whether we have the work?
Yeah.
You don't think there's enough work? You think I'm not telling you the truth 100%?
Yeah, exactly.
But you come up here and you were worried about it a little bit, right?
Oh yeah.
How's the work now?
A lot of work now. Yeah, I'm happy.
You happy? Are you gonna stay? We
yeah.
see?
Yeah.
Because Vegas is getting crazy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's walk through the house right now so we can see what we got going on. So he was nervous to come out here, but now because he came out here, he can see the work is here, right? You think, oh, this is the only house. We got mucho casas. So what have you guys done so far?
Everything's done inside. Interior is done.
They're cleaning it up. You still got to finish some of this up here. So you guys are going to be done in a couple days. See?
Tomorrow, I think.
You think tomorrow?
Probably about a couple days. Yeah.
Maybe 2 days, huh?
Yeah.
So let's walk through the house. Did you fix that pipe downstairs? The pipe that was leaking?
Yes.
Okay, good.
So all this is pretty much done.
So mañana you got to
Clean the
limpio
whole room.
and then more stain. Probably, is this just dust?
Yeah, that's yes.
Okay, good. Looks a lot better in here, huh? Where the hell is this? This is just the closet?
No, exterior, outside.
Okay. I didn't know we had 2 entrances here.
Front door, there's this door, and there's the back door.
Yeah.
Just for the Sancho.
Looks a lot better, huh? Paint goes a long way, see?
Yeah, I already buy the paint for the top.
Okay, so it was done before. So you guys gonna have to clean it, scrape it, and sand it? Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot we had shit up here. I didn't even look at this last time. That's what we got up here. Yeah, we could call this a 3-bedroom, even though you would not want to live up here. Yeah, this is just storage. Hey buddy, what's your name?
Alejandro,
Alejandro, ¿de dónde eres?
Hidalgo, México.
Hidalgo, Mexico? By Mexico City, right?
Yeah.
¿Cuántos años vive en Vegas? 8?
8.
¿Te gusta Kansas City?
Sí.
¿Está bien?
Por lo mientras, sí.
¿Es muy bueno y Vegas?
Mejor que Vegas.
No sé.
Todavía no sé.
Okay. What do you think?
It's better.
Mejor?
Yeah.
See. How much did you buy your house for in Vegas? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
400.
No, 43,000.
Oh, 40. Oh, my house was 43.
To comprar is 43. How much is it worth right now?
Almost 400.
Almost 400,000. Those were all my.
Yeah.
He lived where all my rentals were, so they're all worth. I sold them at 250. They probably went up another 150,000. So you could sell that. And how many houses can you buy here?
Probably 6.
6. So we can help you with that if you decide to move. All right. So what else do we need to do over here? The basement. They cleaned it up. He fixed this pipe. This pipe was leaking right here.
I gotta remove the pipe again.
It was leaking pretty good.
What else do you need over here? Yes.
Maybe this one's kind of tough because everything's cracking anyways. Normally what we do on every basement is we paint this black normally, and then we paint this white, but this one doesn't have all the concrete. But normally what you'll see, I don't know if it's even worth it down here. I think it's not worth it for you to do it down here. This is kind of weird how they got this set up. The washer and dryer is supposed to be right here. We gotta have long hoses on it, huh? I think here, normally we paint the floor and we paint this and this, but I think on this one,
No.
it's okay. If we can get this, turn this so somebody can actually access it, I don't know.
Why you want to put it there?
Well, this is
put it up.
this is connected to here, so it has to stay here. I just don't know if you can turn it. If you could just turn it, you know what I mean?
It's the same thing. The hose is long.
Okay, all right. So probably not worth it. So what house is next after this?
Probably. I check all of them, but he don't have no power. All of them.
We have a generator. Need a generator? Oh wait, no, that got caught in a fire, I think. We have another generator though, don't we? Yeah, I lost a generator in a fire. You bring a generator?
No.
Well, we can buy a generator, and then you just drop it off, and we'll keep it for ourselves. All right, what do you got in your truck, Gabino? Show us what you got in your truck. What did you bring up here with you?
From Vegas?
Yeah, you got all your, what is this? This is all your
Screws and everything.
screws, nail gun. What's that?
Magnet.
It's a magnet?
Yeah, for the nails.
So when you pick them, you make it easy? Normally you have a dump trailer too, right?
Yep.
So you drove it up here. How long did it take you to drive up here?
22 hours.
22 hours.
Yeah.
And how many people came up here with you?
4.
4 people. Are they all living in Las Vegas?
Yeah.
All right. Well, anyways, I appreciate your help, brother.
Okay.
And we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.